Alright, we're ready to get started. If you're watching this, then congratulations! You made it! You did the right thing because you believe, like us, video is big. And that's great because the key to getting visitors to become paying customers is to give them video. And lots of them too. It's why businesses are hiring like crazy for fresh video and image content that gets attention daily. It's why your gurus and influencers post videos and images every day. It's how they scale to millions of loyal fans, consistently posting, constantly growing, and keeping their audience active. It's extremely important to fuel visitors with brand new video and image content day after day. It's critical and a massive problem every business experiences with costs going out of control to get ahead. We get it. Sure, you can outsource to sites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and many more to get the job done. Once a video or image quote is created, there's extras to pay, such as add a logo, add a website link, an image or abstract background, not to forget more charges for choice of fonts. Revisions and formatting for each social network is extra too. This doesn't include the social posting either. So you can imagine the high costs in the end, and it's not a one-time thing anymore. Every business needs fresh content daily, and they will gladly pay you day after day, month after month. You serve a painful need with instant, high-converting image and video quotes they desperately want to engage their audience. It's pretty simple for you because what you have here, right now, is the SociFeed agency license where you can sell and keep 100% of the profits. Because unlike others, you specialize in hands-free automation because SociFeed agency will do this for you in seconds without the need of a single employee or having to fork out hundreds of dollars per design or more for videos. What's cooler is, in one click you can have a massive portfolio instantly so one can assess your ability, your quality, before getting started immediately. Who likes giving work without seeing work you've done in the past? That's why you can create one quote and have 10 variations of the same quote in one click in video or image format. That's amazing! It's like having an army of employees working around the clock creating expensive videos and designs for them. It builds your credibility as a serious business owner who cares for their success and can deliver results. And by giving them quotes super fast in seconds, they'll be super excited to keep paying you. You become their go-to expert to produce professional video and image quotes that grab their visitors' attention. There's a massive demand for beautiful video and image quote designs, just as there is a huge and growing demand for managing and maintaining social media profiles. It's going off the charts like never before. And when you combine these, there's an even bigger and highly profitable opportunity as millions more people join social networks. Yes, that's right. It's huge. And right now, as a test, we want to offer you the perfect business to scale your income to another level. A no-brainer when you have over 600 million pieces of content to offer. That's right, an easy six-figure business where you can charge one-time or monthly fees and keep 100% of the profits. A service to offer clients and businesses who want to reach their audience consistently so they engage and, in result, dominate their market. That's great news because right now, you can offer done-for-you fast quote design and video creation with instant social media engagement. Every business is on social media, and by offering the most simplest no-brainer service to keep their audience engaged, who wouldn't want to pay you? Imagine one client paying $1,000 every month. If you can imagine that, then imagine 10, 20, and even 50 clients paying you $1,000 per month. That's an easy $50,000 for clicking a few buttons. It's expensive to hire employees and time-consuming to manage too, so you are their best choice. Every video or image quote you create under this license, you have commercial use, which means you can sell them at any price. That's right, any price, and keep all the money. You'll be the fastest quote creator with social network posting on autopilot because you get the fully featured advanced custom creator for designs and videos. In a few clicks, add a watermark and share them with a stealth URL. No one will know it's SociFeed agency because with the commercial license, you also get multi-user access if you have a team and you have the ability to manage and grow multiple social media profiles and charge for that too. But it's extremely limited and not everyone can get in. It's exclusive expensive as the official public release is $997 a year with $97 per month thereafter, maybe more. Today, and only today, by joining right now, we're cutting the price significantly by 90%, which is only available here on this page. Every business is serious about their income, but it's more work or they don't have the time or tools. But you do. The agency license is the perfect solution they don't know about. It literally pays for itself even if you have just one client. And by having such an elegant system that does all the work for you, your clients will keep paying you day after day, month after month, because you're delivering consistent results. Over 600 million unique content in video and image at your disposal. It's what matters the most to them, and all it takes you is a few clicks of the button. That's right, it's your service and the hard work is done for you. You can charge whatever you like, and you keep 100% of the profits. It's a no-brainer, right? But we can only offer this right now to a handful of SoshiFeed new customers. It's not publicly available and never will be. There's a limited number of licenses available today, and if the button below is still active, then you should claim your agency license right away. It's on a first-come, first-served basis, and once we fill the quota, we won't offer this again at this price ever. So if you see the button below, then it's available right now. Imagine in just a few clicks hot viral image and video quotes that clients pay you daily. We created this exclusive agency license just for you because right now, the demand is incredibly high. You've come this far, and by accepting this invitation only means you are smart and serious about your financial targets. And remember, after this page, you will pay $997 to join and a $97 a month fee. Every business online needs this, and what better way is there right here, right now, to be the one who does this for them and on autopilot? So claim your license right now before the button is removed and replaced with a sold-out sign. Again, first come, first serve. So click the button below to get instant access right away. We can't wait to see you succeed so you reach your true income potential.